Good morning, everyone. Isa here. I'm the rug colorist. Happy 4th of July. I wanted to extend a special to you. If you have been interested in the DyeBold Web application, then we are making this available to you today only for a celebration of 4th of July. And this was based on a request of somebody who has not taken the DyeBold Carpet Dye Made Easy training. Normally this app is only available to our colorists, and this is the app that we actually use for calculating the colors needed when restoring a bleach spot or when changing a carpet from one color to another. But today only we're making this available. If you have not taken the Carpet Dye Made Easy training, or if you already trained in other carpet dyeing trainings, then now today only you can have access to the web app. And so this actually allows you to evaluate whether or not a area has color added or color missing. And so it's an invaluable tool that you can have in your arsenal. So I will be posting the link in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, in order to register for the DyeBold app you've just purchased, please visit apps.dyebold.com. And here in the bottom right, you're going to see the button that says register, so click on that. Now here, enter your name, email, and phone number, and your password, and then you want to click on register. Once you've registered, I will need to approve you for the registration once I verify that you've purchased the app, and then you have access to the DyeBold app.